8 tips for eating healthy. These 8 useful suggestions can guide you in choosing healthier foods and cover the fundamentals of healthy eating. 1. Choose higher fiber, starchy carbohydrates for your meals. Just a little bit more than 1/3 of your diet should consist of starchy carbohydrates. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and cereals are among them. Select products with more fiber or whole grain content, like whole wheat pasta, brown rice, or potatoes that still have their skins on. 2. Eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. You should consume at least 5 portions of different fruits and vegetables each day, according to recommendations. They can be juiced, dried, tinned, frozen, or fresh. 3. Increase your fish intake, especially oily fish. In addition to having a lot of vitamins and minerals, fish is a wonderful source of protein. Try to eat at least 2 meals of fish every week, at least one of which should be oily. 4. Reduce consumption of sugar and trans fats. Saturated lipid. You need some fat in your diet, but you need to watch how much and what kind of fat you consume. Saturated and unsaturated fats are the 2 main types. Overconsumption of saturated fat can raise blood cholesterol levels, which raises your risk of heart disease. Sugar. Consuming sugary meals and beverages on a regular basis raises your chances of obesity and tooth damage. Sugary foods and beverages frequently contain significant amounts of energy, measured in calories or kilojoules, which, if consumed too frequently, can lead to weight gain. Furthermore, especially if consumed between meals, they can result in tooth decay. 5. Consume no more than 6 grams of salt each day for adults. Your blood pressure can increase if you consume too much salt. Heart disease and stroke are more likely to occur in those with high blood pressure. 6. Get moving and maintain a healthy weight. Regular exercise, together with a healthy diet, may help lower your chance of developing major medical disorders. Additionally, it's crucial for your general health and well-being. 7. Avoid being thirsty. To prevent dehydration, you must consume a lot of water. The government advises consuming 6 to 8 glasses daily. You also obtain fluid from the food you eat in addition to this. All non-alcoholic beverages are acceptable, but the healthiest options are water, milk with less fat, and beverages with less sugar, including tea and coffee. 8. Don't neglect breakfast. Some people believe skipping breakfast may aid in their weight loss. However, a balanced diet that includes a healthy breakfast that is high in fiber and low in fat, sugar, and salt can help you get the nutrients you need for good health. In order to change your life now, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.